So I'm getting ready to go to Jamaica again. I can't wait for this next trip. And it's like the most magical portal that I've ever been to. And all my girlfriends are like, girl, you're going to Jamaica again? And I'm like, yes, I am. And they're like, why do you love Jamaica so much? And I'm like, girl, have you ever been to Jamaica? It's quite the most beautiful, most surreal, I just can't explain it. You just gotta go. And, I was trying to tell her the reasons why I love it, because I've been there the past year. I've been there 3 times, and I've been to a lot of different places. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Africa, I've been to Mexico, I lived in Spain. Like, I've been around, but something about Jamaica just does it for me. It's like everything. So the food is absolutely incredible. The people, I feel like I'm just home. You know what I mean? Everyone accepts me. It's just, I don't know. It's everything. The views, the vibes, like it is just a good time. And I just can't wait because I'm going to be there again. And I'm bringing more of my friends this time. So see you soon, Jamaica.
From being a great tourist attraction and vacation for tourists in the Caribbean, today we'll be talking on why you should visit Jamaica soon and as fast as possible. For those who don't know my identity, first time viewers and subscribers, I'm Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. You can as well share this video to family and friends, and foremost, like this video up to family. On today's episode, we will focus in Jamaica. We all know we are heading into the festive season, and most people are looking for countries where they can vacate and spend their vacation with their families and friends. Jamaica, it is at the top of the list in the Caribbean. Jamaica has risen to be the most influential country in this world. Why? Because of its natural resources. It is because of its tourist attractions, its beautiful beaches. With the following videos, we will get to understand and learn more about Jamaica, their culture, their food, their people of sound mind, and they are kind and honest people. Jamaica being a #1 in the Caribbean, many people admire and want to visit this wonderful place. Why? Is it true Jamaica is safe? Is it true when you say Jamaica is at the top in the Caribbean? Let's watch the following videos I've compiled for you people, and we will get to understand why most people agree with me that it is advisable for you to visit Jamaica and why you should put it at your bucket list. Let's watch the following videos and we'll come back with more commentary about Jamaica. Let's watch.
If you really want to party like a rock star, don't go to Miami, don't go to Vegas, go to Jamaica. We have parties at a water park, full adults, doing adult fun things at a water park. We have all-inclusive parties in the water, at the beach, with ice cream and food and drinks and performances and drones. We have parties where people bring boats into the middle of a sand dune in the middle of the water, surrounded by mountains and hills and views and people having the best time of their lives, okay? Partying in Jamaica isn't just an occasion, it's a lifestyle. Elders party with their children. I party with my mom growing up. Partying is part of our culture. It's a real thing. We have parties where people go on their head tops and people dance and jump on top of each other. We have bougie parties where people will escort you and drive you to the nicest, most decked out premises you've ever seen. And then even outside of parties, we have brunches on top of mountains overlooking everything. Like, it's insane. The amount of planning that goes into these Jamaican parties that the average person does not know about. There's no party in Miami that can compare. And if you want to go to a strip club, let's just say the strippers in Jamaica. I've I've been in Miami since I was 3 years old. I've been to multiple strip clubs. Me never see one stripper who have anything pon a Jamaican stripper. The things they can do with their body. If you know, you know.
As if you needed another reason to go to Jamaica, here are 5 reasons why I'm going to tell you to go to Jamaica and book that trip right now. Number 1, Jamaica hosts the largest reggae festival in the world. Okay, so if you like reggae music and you're trying to have a good time on an island, this is the place to go. Okay, it's every summer. I think it's usually in July, like mid-July, sometimes early August, but it is an undefeated experience, I'm telling you. Now, if you want to learn about how the local people are living, you find your local Rastaman. Okay, make sure he's at least 65 years old, looks like he's 40. Okay, and he's going to give you all the tea about everything that's been going on, not only with the local people, if you want to ask, but also with the tourism, with people coming in, buying lands, and just how everything and all of that is affecting the Jamaican people. Additionally, if he is on a cart or a bicycle selling fruits, that's going to be the best fruit that you have for your whole trip. I'm just letting you know that. Here's another one for you. Did you know that most all-inclusive Jamaican resorts include wedding packages? So if you want to get married in Jamaica, it actually doesn't cost any more. You can actually get married in Jamaica, get the license in Jamaica. You don't even have to apply for it back home. You can get it in Jamaica. So talk about the ease of planning a wedding. I mean, literally just showing up, applying for it, and getting it 24 hours later for your beautiful wedding on a Jamaican beach. I'm not even engaged, but like, come on, it's giving everything it needs to give. And I mean, just the diversity, okay? The diversity in Jamaica is so crazy. You have white Jamaicans, black Jamaicans, obviously, Asian Jamaicans, okay? Like Korean Jamaicans, okay? And then that is all reflected in the food there. So when you go to Jamaica and you eat food, there are options for every type of diet. Vegans, vegetarians, pescatarians, meat eaters, okay? Omnivores, okay? So if you have some type of special dietary need, they're going to be able to accommodate you. Like my mom has celiac disease, so when I went there, I was looking for things that she could eat and honestly found so many things that she could eat without having to worry about gluten in her diet. So we already knew Jamaican food was good, but just adding a layer on top of that they actually have diversity in flavors and in different dietary needs. And I think another reason why Jamaica's cuisine is just so diverse is also because of the Rastafari culture and their Itar diet, which is really focused on eating things from the earth. They have like some really intricate like things that you're not supposed to eat. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know for the most part, they're eating vegan. And you know, if they can make vegan food taste good, which I know it's not hard and I hate saying this, but it's so true. Like if you can make vegan food taste good, you know how to cook. So yeah, if you needed any more reasons to go to Jamaica, I just gave you 5. So you're welcome.
Up to now, has this video changed your mind? If you are a person who wanted to have a vacation in Cuba, will you still have an admiration to visit Jamaica? Jamaicans, we all know, are people who are all over the world. The world loves Jamaica, and the world admires people of Jamaican origin. This episode is all about uplifting the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican tourism industries, and to uplift their natural resources. We all know of the Blue Mountain in Jamaica, which produces wonderful coffee, a natural coffee that is exported worldwide. I myself admire to be a tourist in Jamaica. The wonderful beaches, the beautiful resorts they have, and the beautiful culture and food they give to their visitors. I would like to know your experience on this. Have you ever visited Jamaica? Jamaicans who are there, what will you tell the world about being in Jamaica? Is it a safe place? Tell us the experience in Jamaica. The world needs to know about Jamaica. Let me know your response on the comment section below about Jamaica, and I will humbly respond to you. And remember, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on the next episode where we will continue to uplift the Jamaican people and the Black American family. Thank you for watching and goodbye.